Hi everybody, I'm here at Halloween Horror Nights, and behind me is the Fire Towers. The Fire Towers have returned. Celebration for the Fire Towers. So I'm super excited for Halloween Horror Nights, and I can't wait for this year's event. Hey everyone, sorry to interrupt the video. I just wanted to let you know that you can support my channel in the link below. It would mean so much to me. Unfortunately, because of the pandemic, I have been hit hard financially and I'm not able to afford HHN this year or the past. So if you guys can help, it would mean so much to me. The link is below, and enjoy the video. Eat my vegan burger, which you're able to get at Mel's. They have Beyond Meat, and you're able to kind of veganize it and add no cheese and no jalapenos to it. This is how it's looking. All right, I'm going. The music gets really intense. All right, folks, I am going on the tram right now to go look at the Terror Tram and see how that's looking. This music is really loud, so I have to speak really, really loud. I don't know why it's this loud, but I'm super excited for Halloween Horror Nights. The scare zones look awesome. I was just like kind of analyzing them and looking at them. Very amazing. I can't wait. I can't wait. I'm so excited for HGen this year. So I wanted to sit here for a moment and just kind of say what I'm excited for. So what I'm really excited for is The Exorcist is going to be in a soundstage, and that's going to be amazing. That's going to be really scary because last time it was in the Mummy queue, and I felt like it wasn't dark enough. And now that they got a soundstage, I feel like it will be dark enough. So I'm very excited for that maze. I'm also excited for The Bride of Frankenstein Lives. I think that one's going to be an amazing maze, of course. Yeah, that's what I'm looking forward to. The Exorcist, using the full soundstage. I hope there's less dark black rooms and they kind of change it up, because I know we had it, and it would be cool to have a little bit more rooms and kind of play with it. I mean, you do have a soundstage, right? So that's kind of where I'm at right now. I'm excited for The Exorcist, Bride of Frankenstein Lives, and even Halloween, you know? Even though it is a repeat, it is a classic. Hey everybody, I just got a beer here and I just want to say cheers to everyone. Cheers to surviving the pandemic and to surviving another Halloween Horror Nights year. Just wanted to say that to everyone. It means so much that you guys watch my content, and yeah, so cheers. Alright, that wraps up my video for Halloween Horror Nights. I hope everyone has enjoyed it. Next week is the beginning of Halloween Horror Nights, and I cannot believe that it's coming. So please, like I mentioned before, please visit the link below and help support and fund this channel, because I love HHN. I've been waiting for it all year, and this pandemic kind of threw a wrench into my gears, into everything I had planned. So I'll catch you guys later. Thanks, bye.